Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam Market is unavailable error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu option. Click on Steam and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can adjust various account configurations. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Security. This section contains all your account protection features and is crucial for enabling market access. Now click on Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard is Steam's two-factor authentication system, and having it enabled is absolutely essential for accessing the Steam market. Without Steam Guard active, the market will remain locked regardless of any other settings you adjust. So go ahead and enable your Steam Guard if it isn't already turned on. This security feature not only protects your account, but also unlocks full marketplace functionality. Next, there's another important requirement you need to meet. You must spend at least $5 on a Steam game or add funds to your wallet. This is a security measure Steam uses to prevent fraudulent accounts from accessing the market. To do this, navigate to the upper right corner of your screen and click on your username. From the drop-down menu, select View My Wallet. This will take you to your Steam wallet page where you can manage your funds. On the wallet page, select the $5 USD option or the equivalent amount in your local currency, then click Add Funds. You'll be prompted to choose a payment method, so click the drop-down menu and select your preferred option. After selecting your payment method, fill up all the required information fields with your payment details. Then click Continue to proceed with the transaction. Wait a moment while the payment processes and the funds are added to your account. Now we need to clear your download cache, which can sometimes cause market access issues. Go back to the upper left corner, click Steam again, and select Settings. In the left panel this time, click on Downloads. Scroll down until you find the Clear Download Cache option. Right beside it, click Clear Cache. A confirmation prompt will appear, so click Confirm to complete the process. This clears any corrupted temporary files that might be preventing the market from loading properly. There are also two more things to keep in mind. First, make sure you haven't changed your password recently. Steam temporarily restricts market access after a password change as a security precaution. Second, if you're using a VPN, disable it. VPNs can trigger Steam's security systems and block market access, so turn it off before attempting to use the marketplace. You've now addressed all the common causes of the Steam market unavailable error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.